I'm going to dive right into the depth of this topic. And I want to ask you, right off the bat, what was the biggest financial mistake you made in your 20s?
My financial mistake in my early 20s was I was not saving enough. Whatever I was earning, I used to spend it off. But I remember one time I realized that I had to pay one of my vendor and I didn't have enough money because Danube at that time was not so big.
Right.
So it was difficult. I had to tell the vendor that you'll have to wait for some time.
Right.
Then I paid him off.
Okay.
So that experience taught me that how important is saving. Whatever you earn in business, you need to make sure you save. Keep little bit of percentage of that in savings and invest in your business and spend smartly rather than extravagantly.
Okay. So do you think a lot of people in their 20s, they try to look rich? And this we are seeing a lot in the younger generation these days.
Well, it's a perception. Some people want to look rich. They might be rich and they want to look rich.
Right.
Some people are not rich, but they want to show off that they're rich. So it's all about how they are
Yeah.
and what perception they want to show. But if you ask me very honestly, if you're not rich, showing off you're rich is a mistake,
Yeah.
which I believe young generation people should not do this, because I always believe, and I keep saying this, money in hand or savings in hand is better than having nothing in your pocket.
Right. And the reason I asked you this is yesterday I came across this piece of content on social media where people were talking about how even waitresses and people who are working in the hospitality industry, they are saving up to 10, 20 salaries to buy themselves a luxury bag, for example. And that is what sort of keeps them driven, which is such a sad thing to see. There was another incident in which one lady said, I wear tennis bracelets, but I'm waiting tables. So there was this whole debate going on about how, if you're still waiting tables and wearing a tennis bracelet, you're not fooling anyone. You're not actually rich. You're just trying to show that you're rich.
Like I mentioned before, it's all about individual perception. Somebody wants to show off, somebody doesn't. Like I've mentioned in my case, I bought the Rolls-Royce car thinking it will increase my status.
Yeah.
But I was wrong. Because at that time, I'm talking about 5 years ago,
Yeah.
I spent 2 million dirhams.
Yeah.
I could have easily bought a 500,000 dirham car and have had the same comfort. Yes, the brand value perception made me buy that,
Right.
which was a mistake. Now, if I be very honest, I feel investing in luxury cars,
Yeah.
yes, nothing wrong if people have enough money to invest.
Yeah.
But I feel it's a mistake because the moment the car comes out of the showroom,
Yeah.
the value drops, it depreciates.
Correct.
So it's better you invest in a house or something which is of more need and requirement than in a luxury car, which I feel is wrong. But others have the option, and I am very happy to say both my children are against buying luxury cars.
Yeah. And going back 5 years, would you buy the car again?
No way.
Really?
No way. It's a mistake. And like I mentioned in one of my videos, I have hardly used that car
Yeah.
because not that I don't want to use it. I'm more comfortable in the car which I paid almost 1/4 of the price.
Yeah.
And I feel more comfortable. So वो गाड़ी एक घर जमाई की जैसे मेरे घर में बैठी ना, आप पूछे कि मैं इसको बेच क्यों नहीं रहा हूँ.
हाँ.
I'm not getting that value. So let be there
Right.
and
But-
मेरी स्टेटस को दिखाओ.
बट वहाँ पे एक कुछ इमोशनल अटैचमेंट भी तो रहेगा उस गाड़ी के
बिल्कुल
साथ.
इमोशनल अटैचमेंट मैंने इमोशन की वजह से नहीं ली थी. मैं बोल रहा हूँ दिखावे के लिए ली थी, स्टेटस के लिए ली थी, जो
Okay.
गलत है.
Right.
मेरे हिसाब से गलत है ना. आप पूछोगे कि सर आप एमिरेट सेल्स में रहते हो, वो तो एक बड़ा घर है.
Yeah.
बट आई डिड नॉट बाय. मैंने घर लिया, मुझे दिखावा करना था. वो मेरी जरूरत है
Yeah.
एक अच्छी जगह पे रहने की. बिकॉज घर तुम पूरे दिन रहते हो, गाड़ी में पूरा दिन नहीं रहते हो.
करेक्ट.
गाड़ी ले लिया तुमने, कितने किलोमीटर चला है? फ्रॉम माई हाउस टू माई ऑफिस इज 20 किलोमीटर्स एंड मैक्सिमम 20 किलोमीटर 40 किलोमीटर. 40 किलोमीटर यू मल्टीप्लाई बाई 25, 1000 किलोमीटर होते हैं अगर मैं डेली यूज करूँ तो.
करेक्ट.
1000 किलोमीटर इंटू अगर तुम 12 महीने करो, कितने हो गए? 12,000 किलोमीटर. सो अगर साल का मैं 12,000 किलोमीटर चला रहा हूँ और उसके लिए मैंने 2 मिलियन दिरहम की गाड़ी की है, 5 साल में वो गाड़ी की वैल्यू पूरी डेप्रिशिएट हो जाएगी. उसका मुझे 1/4 भी नहीं मिलेगा.
So, what do you think people in their 20s should prioritize, क्योंकि there is no doubt कि ये जो luxury items है, they are desirable to all of us. But instead of that, where should we place our, savings into, and what should we save for?
Not because I'm a real estate person, I'm asking you. Save it in your house or something you can do as an insurance.
Okay.
Why I tell you, life is unpredictable. And now you will ask me, what will happen to me at the age of 20 or 25 or 30? जैसे मैंने बताया, कुछ भरोसा नहीं है लाइफ का.
Right.
अगर आप एक इंश्योरेंस बना के रखते हो, वो अपने लिए नहीं, आप अपने फैमिली के लिए बना के रखते हो. आप जो who's closer to you, you're doing that insurance. Invest in insurance, pay that premium, because that premium what you're going to pay at the age of 20, 25, 30 is much lower than what you're going to pay at the age of 40, 45, 50 or 55.
Right.
So that is where you're making a saving. That insurance which you will invest. A lot of people feel insurance is the worst investment. I feel it is one of the finest investments.
Yeah.
Because it's you're safeguarding your future.
So people in their 20s should put money into insurance.
That's my thinking.
Yeah. Because
Maybe
it's not something that crosses their minds.
उनको ख्याल ही नहीं आता है.
Yes.
You hit the nail. It doesn't cross their mind. या मुझे 20 साल को क्या होएगा 25. आप why do you take a travel insurance when you travel? You're bound to take.
Correct.
When you buy a car, you pay an insurance ताकि एक्सीडेंट होती है.
Yeah.
होने वाली. उसी तरह लाइफ का भी कुछ भरोसा नहीं. बना के रखो इंश्योरेंस.
Correct. So 20s में, like you said, even you were a bit of a spendthrift. You like to spend money.
Oh yes.
How did that financial thinking change in your 30s?
When I got married and I realized I want to give the best for my children. So if I save, I'll be able to give the best for the children. If I don't have money in my bank or my savings, and there is something which I want to do for my kids, let's presume I want to get them married, and I want to get them married in a very nice way.
Yeah.
I would rather spend for that. That's my thinking.
Right.
आप बोलोगे कि सर गाड़ी नहीं लेना है लेकिन लग्जरी शादी करनी है. Because ये मैंने नहीं किया था मेरे लाइफ में.
Yeah.
मैं चाहता हूँ मेरे बच्चे एटलीस्ट वो करें.
Actually, that's an interesting point, because फिर आपके हिसाब से priorities are different, right? You
हर एक
might...
की प्रायोरिटी अलग होती है.
Yeah.
किसी की प्रायोरिटी होगी लग्जरी गाड़ी लेना, उसमें कोई गलत बात नहीं.
Correct.
मैं वो गाड़ी लेने के बाद मुझे रियलाइज हुआ कि वो मेरी प्रायोरिटी नहीं होनी चाहिए. मेरी प्रायोरिटी बहुत सारी चीजें हैं.
Yeah.
और
Well
इसमें
said.
बहुत वजन है. बिकॉज अगर आप जिस टाइम व्हेन यू लीव दिस वर्ल्ड यू नीड टू हैव इनफ सेविंग्स फॉर योर children and your family, so
Right.
that for any calamity they are having that finances to use it.
Right. And I brought up this priority thing because, I'm sure maybe when you go shopping for clothes, you wouldn't want to spend a lot of money, but when you travel, comfort is priority for you. Like log सोचते होंगे आपकी तरफ देख के, you spend money in probably every aspect of life because you can afford to. But even after that kind of money comes into your life, how important is it to have that financial discipline to understand कि किस चीज़ पे कितना पैसा डालना चाहिए?
You mentioned about clothes. I love to wear clothes. Like I've always believed, if you look good, you feel good.
Yeah.
But that doesn't mean that I need to buy a brand to look good.
Correct.
As long as I buy something which is decent and reasonable and it fits in my budget. I mean, when I say fits in my budget, I am lucky to spend
Yeah.
or buy a branded shirt or a pant or a shoes.
Yeah.
But I don't spend on it.
Right.
I believe I can get something very similar, but not with a brand. And I feel I am my own brand. Why should I spend on it?
But कभी ऐसे हुआ कि you tried out those brands and you felt कि यार ज़्यादा फर्क नहीं है?
No, I've never tried out.
Are you serious?
Yes, I mean it. And when I do get gifts, branded gifts.
Yeah.
And at that time, when I compare it with what I have,
Yeah.
I don't blame the person who gave me that gift.
Yeah.
But जब मैंने अपने कपड़ों से या चीज़ों जो मुझे मिले ब्रांड की,
Yeah.
उससे मैंने कंपेयर किया, मुझे कुछ खास फर्क नहीं लगा है. ये जो परसेप्शन है ब्रांड का,
Right.
वो न X ब्रांड और Y ब्रांड और Z ब्रांड,
Yeah.
वो अपनी जगह पे सही है, वो अपना धंधा कर रहे हैं.
Correct.
बट मैंने बताया I am my own brand. If I carry myself well,
Yeah.
people will look at me not because what I'm wearing a brand. People look at me how the way I carry myself.
That's really nice. So, a lot of people use brands as क्या बोलते हैं, as a crutch almost to make themselves look more powerful, look, a lot better than they are. But I think that shows that you're very secure in your own skin.
Yes. If you are secured in your own skin, you don't need to show off a brand or a luxury bag
Yeah.
or a luxury car or let's say a luxury shoe
Yeah.
or a watch. Yes, one-time investment is fine. Again, spending again and again.
Yeah.
नया brand, नया bag market में आ गया,
Correct.
या नया watch आ गया, नए कपड़े आ गए, ब्रांडेड लेना ही है और
Yeah.
दिखाना है. अगर आपको यू नो व्हाट दिखाने के लोगों को दिखाने के लिए वो करना है तो मत करो. आपको उसको खुद को अच्छा लगता है
Yeah.
तो उस पर खर्चा करो. आई रिपीट माई लाइन्स अगेन. तुम ये सोच रहे हो कि मैंने एक लग्जरी बैग ले ली. जनरली मेन तो their bags are not seen.
Yeah.
But in the men's case, if you are going to wear a branded clothes and show off,
बेल्ट
People-
लेते हैं.
आपको वो कंफर्टेबल लग रहा है तो आप लो. लोगों को दिखाने के लिए मत लो.
राइट. एक्चुअली ये प्रॉब्लम थोड़ा सा हमारे यंग जनरेशन में इसलिए भी हुआ है क्योंकि सोशल मीडिया का राइज हुआ है इन द लास्ट 10 years और सो. आई डोंट थिंक दैट्स समथिंग यू गाइस स्ट्रगल्ड विद व्हेन यू ऑल वर यंगर. सोशल मीडिया की वजह से देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ परफेक्शन जो हमें दिखता है. वी सी पीपल लीडिंग परफेक्ट लाइव्स, बाइंग अ न्यू लग्जरी बैग एवरी मंथ एंड वो डिजायरेबल हो गया है. तो दिस इज अ ट्रैप दैट द यंगस्टर्स आर फॉलोइंग इनटू. एंड लाइक यू सेड, अगर एक बैग मैंने खरीद ली, इट्स वेरी अनलाइकली कि आई विल स्टॉप एट वन. तो हाउ डज वन set that goal? क्योंकि it helps people work hard, but at the same time know how to restrain themselves after getting that urge.
If like I mentioned and I repeat the same line, अगर आपको आपने एक बैग ले लिया या एक लग्जरी आइटम ले लिया, and you've satisfied your goal, but then you get carried away with it and you want to repeat it or keep buying the same stuff
Yeah.
with the new model coming in
Yeah.
to show off people, then you'll not be able to stop yourself.
Correct.
But if you have a control over your mind, then you will be able to stop. And I'll give you an example.
Okay.
I travel a lot. Now, initially, I used to travel economy. Now that I can afford, I travel business.
Yeah.
When I travel business not to show off. When I go in a business class, I barely show videos that I'm traveling in business. Yes, I travel because I feel comfortable.
But has the definition of luxury changed for you over the years?
No. For me, I've said always, luxury is like fulfilling dreams of yours. And if you are buying something which suffices your need,
Yeah.
then it's fine to do it. But again, हर एक का perception अलग होता है. मैं जो देख रहा हूँ, मेरे तरफ से यहाँ 9 दिख रहा है, but सामने वाले को 6 दिख रहा है.
Correct.
इसमें कोई गलत नहीं है. But मेरा advice यही है लोगों से, don't buy luxury to show off. Buy luxury if it suits your needs.
Right. And according to you, just my last question is, money should buy you freedom, time, or options in life?
Options in life. That's my
Right.
freedom. You cannot buy freedom with money. And मैं बार बार बोलूँगा कि इतना कमाने की जरूरत नहीं. कमाने की जरूरत कभी भी लग सकती है. You knows कहाँ पे से क्या calamity आ जाएगी.
Right.
तो भागते रहो. As long as your body is ready. Money can also buy time. When I say time, it's like I can afford a 1 week holiday
Yeah.
because the business is running. But I make sure that I don't cross that 1 week.
Right.
उसकी कदर करो. जो एक हफ्ता है ना, एक हफ्ता का मैं 15 दिन नहीं लगा सकता, 20 दिन नहीं लगा सकता. Just because पैसा है. तो आज है, कल नहीं है. When I mean by options is life. In the case of a sickness, God forbid if there is in the family, make sure that I select the right quality hospital, the right doctors where I find in that hospital. So where it's the need of the hour.
Right.
Similarly, if you want your child to be educated, you make sure that you put them in the best schools.
Right.
So again, it's about person to person. I want my children to going to the best school.
To conclude this episode, actually, if there are any pieces of financial advice you'd like to give to the young generation who's watching it today, what would it be?
My advice to any youngster who's in their 20s or 25, who's in their early 20s,
Yeah.
that whatever earnings you do, make sure to save at least 25 to 30% for your savings. Because who knows, you might require this savings in an emergency.